students, how are you all? So we have completed the basics in the previous topics. So from today onwards we are going to start the syllabus, new syllabus, this syllabus. So today I am going to tell you the lesson, the wizard spell. So it's a lesson. Before going to the lesson, I am going to tell you the new words. After telling the new words, I am going to tell the lesson. So the lesson is about a wizard spell. It's nothing but it's a meaning. So I am going to tell you the meanings. A man who has the powerful way. So I am going to write the new words on the board and I am going to spell it. You must also have to spell it. So you can see textbook page number 8 in your textbooks. Open page number 8. So first one is new words. New words. First one is compassionate. Compassionate. So its meaning is to show concern for others. So meanwhile, after writing this, I am going to explain each and every meaning for you. Not to worry. Wizard. A man who has magical powers. Haunted. Haunted. A place visited by ghost. Teapot. Teapot. Walk quickly. Quietly. Not quickly, quietly. Fifth one, willow. To become soft or white. Tantalizing. Teasing. Someone with promise of something that is unattainable. Impromo. Impromo. Done without planning or reveal outward behavior. Miracle. An unusual mysterious event beyond the possible. Quickly. An unsteady light. These are the new words. You have to learn it. So without learning this one, you can't able to go through the lesson. So if you want to go to the lesson, you have to read it this one properly. You have to know the meaning of this one. Compassionate, to show concern to others. So if anybody is asking you if they are in needy, you are showing some concern to her. That is compassionate. And wizard is a man who has a magical power. He is having a magical power. He can do anything. That is called wizard. And haunted is a place visited by ghost. So haunted is a place where ghost means you know, yes, ghost, it's a place where they visit. Antipod is a walk quietly, so it is walking quietly without making a footsteps sound. Mule means to become soft or quiet. So become soft or quiet means telling in a rude manner or in a soft manner, telling quietly and softly. So somebody they will say in a hurry burry, so not like that, it is telling softly and quietly. Tantalizing, it is a teasing someone without promise. So teasing someone means taking this thing, that thing, making irritate to them and promise them to something that is unattainable. So doing which is not able to do. Impromote means done without planning or rehealing, means not doing the work in planning. Steady means place or role that someone should have or fill. So the role should be filled with some or other. Your place will not be filled by others, right? Your brother place will not filled by others. Your brother only will fill that place. Demeanor means outward behavior. Outward behavior means not in our way, it is going in another way. Outward behavior. Miracle means an unusual mystery, even beyond the possible. So the things that we think that this will not happen, that is happened. It is a miracle. It is a miracle. Suppose if we think that now from morning till afternoon it is very heavy hot sun, suddenly it rained, it's a miracle. We cannot think that it is raining. Suddenly it is given a surprise. And prickly means an unsteady light. It is a light which will not be steady. It is not, light will not be clear, it will be dull. Okay, if you understood these meanings, if you understood these meanings, then only we can go. Okay, these are the meanings. And did you know there have been many stories? So the stories are written about witches, wizards and magics. It is written, stories are written in a magic, wizards and doing witches stories like that over a year. And most of them are remembered and enjoyed by all. So these stories, whatever the magic stories, what are the wizard stories, what are witches stories, whatever the stories are there, they are enjoyed a lot, and they have throughout the year, they have remembered throughout the year, and they enjoyed. One of the most popular book with the theme of magic in a Harry Potter series written by J.K. Rowling. So it is written, Harry Potter is written by J.K. Rowling. You know this, you have learned in GK. Witches and wizards often fly on a broomsticks. You know broomsticks, it will fly on a broomsticks only. These witches and wizards, they fly in a broomsticks only. It is not safe to go into houses that belongs to strangers. So we should not feel safe. So if we don't know that house, if we go there, we don't. So there will be some good strangers and there will be some bad strangers. Strangers will not be all good. Some they will be good, but we should not go to the strangers. So that's many of the parents will tell, while you are coming to the school, you don't speak to anybody. Those who are unknown means strangers, unknown people. In case you do not need to go to the new places, so without the help of your parents, without taking to your parents, you should not go to also new places also. Make sure you inform trust adults who can help you. So who are adults, who are elder to you, they must come with you, then only you have to go. Without them, you must not go outside. And this is the story. So I am going to tell you and I am going to explain you the story. So let's start the lesson. The wizard spell. Alicia, Rohit, Neha and Ajay were walking back for their school. They were the best of friends and also neighbors. So Alicia, Rohit, Neha and Ajay. So they are back to school from their houses, from their school. So they are walking back to school. Back to school, and back to school means they were back from their school. Already school completed, they were back to school. They were the best of friends and also neighbors. They are all neighbors and best friends also. They are neighbors means they are the houses which are near to their houses are called neighbors. So my house is near you means I am a neighbor to you. Right? Like that, neighbors. They enjoyed their walk and talk all about the teachers they all liked. So they used to talk all about the teachers and all about the teachers who they will like. They will be going to tell the good things about the teachers. Their lunch boxes other such topics happily. So lunch boxes, sharing things what they bought, sharing the topics what they will have happily enjoyed. Everything they will be, whatever they will enjoy, they will be sharing with each other. They were returning home one day. They are returning home from school. When Ajay declared that he knew a shortcut. So Ajay is telling that from here we can go to home very soon. Very soon we can go. He know the shortcut from that route. Daily they will go from one route. So suddenly Ajay, he told that he know the shortcut. The shortcut will take to the house very soon. Always ready for adventures, the group decided to try. So everybody agreed. So they are agreed to go with Ajay with that route, with that shortcut route. The group decided to try it out. Much to their surprise, they soon came across a violet purple colored mansion that they never seen before. All of them stopped in front of the strange house and wondered who lived there. So while going in the way, much to their surprise, they are going much to, they did not accept that one. They did not see much surprise. They soon a purple. See, can you see that picture? If you see the picture, you can be knowing. Purple colored mansion. This is a mansion. It's a house that they had never seen before. Before they did not see that colored house there. All of them stopped in front of that strange house. So that stranger house, they all stopped there and they are looking for that house and wondered who they live, and they wanted to know who they live, but how much beautiful this house is, who is living here. Even we also, while going to our houses, while going from the school back to school to home, in the middle, if we see any building, see how much, wow, what a beautiful building it is, who will be living here, but they will be very rich people. Like this, we will think. Like this, these four children, they stand there and they are stood there and they are watching that house and they are thinking that who strangers will be there. Strangers means unknown people. They decided to explore the house and walk toward it. No, the people in it will probably be sleeping. Alicia protested in a scared tone. So they decided to explore the house and walk towards it. So they want to explore it and they want to go into the house. No, the people in it will probably be sleeping. This time probably nobody will sleep. Will go at 4 or 5 times nobody will sleep, right? At that time children will come. Parents are busy to pick their students from the school, and some will come from the office. So that time nobody will sleep. Alicia protested in a scared tone. Scared tone means she is somewhat frightened in his mind. Somewhat he was afraid of who will be there in it, and she is telling scaredly. But again, their bitter judgment, they were all drawn towards the absurd design and totally out of place looking construction. Ajay knocked with the help of a big brass lion locker, while Tongue went in and out in a fascinating manner. So what it's happened, it is, but against their better judgment, they are taking their better judgment. They were all drawn towards an absolutely slide, slowly, one by one, and towards place looking constructing. Constructing means it is still constructing. Ajay knocked the door. He knocked with the help of a big brass. Brass means brass, and totally put out a place looking like knocker. Knocker means like a brass means whenever you will knock the door like this, it will be a brass or knocker. Whose tongue went into and out in a fascinating manner. So when he knocked, his tongue went outside and went inside in a fascinating, and fascinating means it is fantastic manner, where they were admiring it. The door by itself, the door silently by itself. The four friends looked at each other in the disbelief and hesitated for a minute, but walked in. So he was hesitated, and in the middle he want to, when they enter into the building, they were hesitated and they are quite they are not confident to go inside. The interior of the actually scary. So it is very dangerous inside. It is very scary. If we see inside, it is very scary. It was lit up in a dusty and a large room. Lit by some candles. Some candles are lit and shown dusty. Dusty means dust is there in that room. If suppose one room is not used and it is locked, and after so many months dusty like that is live. Four friends are thinking that we should live. What if there someone ghost whispered Alicia? So we should leave. Their four friends are thinking that we should leave. Turning some. What is someone? Someone is telling that go 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 ghost. So she is so afraid. His mouth it is not coming. That so it's telling it is hesitating and she is afraid and she is having this thing and she is telling go go ghost. Part like that is Alicia. Neha replied, laughing a bit nervously. So Neha replied, nervously she replied and she told, hey, no ghost will be there in this. Nervously she replied, don't worry if you are scared. So what she is telling, if you are afraid, you catch my hand. Don't be scary. Don't be scared. Just they trip it out with an enormous ornate cylinder. So there is a door. There is a can you see here? It's a walk quietly. Quietly means they are walking very slowly. Hey, look, Ajay pointed. It seems there is someone in the room beyond the sofa. Shall we go in? So, hey, look, Ajay is telling that, hey, look here. He pointed somebody in the room beyond the sofa. Sofa is there. Behind the sofa, somebody is there. So, you can see here in the picture, behind the sofa, somebody is there. Shall we go in? Go in. So, she is telling that, shall we go in? He looked at there with excitement. So he has looked there very excitement. Yes, let's go. Neha and Rohit replied together. They both replied and they want to go inside. They room. The door was ajar. They beat through the doorway. The door was dark and eerie. They saw a huge table in the center of the room. A short man was standing at the edge of the table. The stranger things. Can you see here how the table is? The table is in the middle. See the table, the chair is here. The sofa is here. A lamp is here, and the candles are here. And see, you can see the Jhumar here and one. Buffaloes, what we see thrones are here. A huge table in the center one huge table is there, and a short shoot man means it's a short man is standing at the edge of the table. Edge of the table means suppose think it is a table, he is standing at the edge of the table. The stranger thinks. So they shouted. So in the next session I am going to tell you the half of the lesson. We have completed the half of the lesson. We have completed half, not one. Still more are there. We complete the lesson half. So meanwhile, what is the homework means? Till here, if you are understood, I think you all understood this one. After this, I am going to continue in the next session. I will give you the homework to you. Homework is read new words. Learn new words. In textbook page number 8. This is the homework for you. You have to read this page 8 as a homework for you. This is the new words. If you learn these new words, you come across the new words in the lesson. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.